you look at OSHA, OSHA says you must
Right.
have a level and stabilized ladder while being securely anchored. We level, we stabilize, and then we securely anchor. In every possible scenario on any ground terrain, we do it.
All right, you got something interesting here.
Yeah, so you've never seen this before. I've been developing this for 3 years. I lost my job when COVID happened, and that was right in the beginning of COVID, and this is what I've made. This is prototype number 19, and this is actually our last prototype. This product is not available for 3 more months. So you pre-order it today, it's not available for 3 months. What it is the world's first portable ladder footing system. It sets any fiberglass or aluminum ladder up on any ground terrain in the matter of seconds. No more need for a spotter to hold the bottom of the ladder. No need to call your wife out or get another employee or pay another employee to hold that ladder. So the way it works is we have quick connect mounting brackets. So the brackets attach to your ladder, and this connects very quickly, on and off your ladder in a second.
So you don't have to cut the existing feet off your ladder?
No, it works on the side. Yeah, exactly. Right. So once you install this on your ladder, you level it up to 10.5 inches each side, and then you want to stabilize. So we're the only company in the world with a ladder safety shoe. So you flip this down on snow, concrete, pavement, ice, and it holds it. It will not move. Now what's really cool is we get a whole entire ratcheting system built in. So this is the whole entire system for our ladder. Multiple ratcheting points. We can slide this all the way to the bottom because we have ground spikes. So the ground spikes are down here, and you want to tie back to those when there's nothing else to tie back to. What's really cool about our system is that this is on a construction site. Looks like construction tape when you're using our ratchet. We have automatic ratchets. They go in, they go out whenever you want to. What's really cool about our product is we have it patented in many different ways. This strap is rated for 1,600 pounds, but if you kink it, it's only rated for 200 pounds. Our patent always allows you to have a straight strap and full strength capabilities no matter where you ratchet it to. This is only step 1. We also sell these brackets. These brackets will go to the middle and the top of your ladder. So once you do the bottom of your ladder, you want to tie off the top. So the ratchets go to the top of your ladder as well. Now what's really cool about that is we designed our own carabiners. So this ties into your gutter system or around a tree branch, whatever you need to. If you're building a home or anything and there's only wood on the outside of your house, we have a nail hole. So this goes to the side of your ladder and you nail it in, tack it in. If you're a roofer, you lift up the first shingle, put it in, tack it into your roof. The top of your ladder is stable and it's not going to move. So this is one tool to replace multiple tools. There's actually nothing on the market that does this. Right now, there's a ladder leveler. You use a ladder leveler on the bottom. At the top, you have a window thing, a framing window, or rope to tie it in. And then at the bottom, for anchoring, you're left with wooden stakes and tying the bottom of your ladder with rope. We provide everything in one sweet system.